ChatGPT just got a glow up and users are already debating if it's too sassy for its own good? Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your go-to for all the tech updates. OpenAI's latest GPT 5.2 comes with a professional makeover, but some fans complained the AI sounded colder, less friendly, and even a bit rude. The tech giant responded fast by giving users more control over ChatGPT's personality. Now you can tweak its tone with new warm, enthusiastic header lists and emoji options in the personalization settings. Each feature lets you dial up or down how ChatGPT responds, making it chatty, upbeat, or just right for your style. This update follows last month's edition of professional, candid, and quirky options in GPT 5.1, which allowed users to select a base style and tone. The goal? Make the AI feel more like a friendly assistant instead of a corporate bot. Users can now combine these settings for a fully customized experience, whether they want their AI to be extra cheerful, more professional, or packed with emojis. OpenAI did this after backlash earlier this year when GPT-5 replaced GPT-4o. Fans complained it lost its conversational charm, and the company promised a warmer, more personable AI, and this is their answer. ChatGPT users can now fine-tune exactly how their digital companion talks. With these upgrades, ChatGPT isn't just smarter, it's now a reflection of your style, mood, and personality. Whether you like it bubbly or serious, the AI can now match your vibe and maybe even win back those who felt the last update was a little too stiff. For more updates like this video, comment and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.